Okay, in this lesson, I want to explain how to insert multi PSD Photoshop layer in a cloner and use them use the effector to change them. As you can see, we have a multi shader here. This is here. I want to explain the multi shader. You can insert your PSD file one by one here, and after that you can use the effector to, for example, the fields to change the texture of them. Imagine you can insert any texture here. Okay, interesting. This is an build field, the box field. Let's go. This lesson I want to give you a simple example about to how use MoGraph multi-shader and its advantage. Going to make a plane, make it smaller, then holding Alt and clone it, change it to the endpoints, and we need, yeah, that's nice, I think. You can go to your plane, make it a little bigger. This is our grid mode, okay? I want to assign a material to our cloner. If you double click your cloner, we can change deactivate reflectance. In a color, I will be explaining the material editor in detail in the next lessons future. But if you come here, we have another material called MoGraph multi-shader. As you can see, it's appear here. If you click here, you go in multi-shader. It's exactly for PSD files. If you go to the Photoshop, as you can see, we have a multi-layer. You can assign anything in these layers in the Photoshop. Okay, so Photoshop easy. You export it as a PSD here. Export it as a PSD, and you can insert here. I have 3 layers, so add 3 texture here. Click here, and you can load your image. It means load that PSD. Okay, I insert my first PSD layer here. You go to select it, and you have to select the layer. For example, select the rectangle number 1. These are all layers of that you insert in Photoshop. As you can see, it's a red color, layer number 2. Going back and add another layer, pause the video. Okay, I insert my layers, go to each one, select. You can select layer 2, then go back and select layer 3. It's gray. And as you can see, the last layer is showing in the MoGraph. You can make it up, and as you can see, the last layer is a green and show here. And you can simply randomize, make any effector to that. It's very simple. Select the cloner, for example, going to plane first. Going to the plane in a parameter, turn off the position because we don't need the position. The color mode, it's important, the field color, and then you can go to the field color and change it to the linear. An interesting part happened. Here you can click and drag, and as you can see, you can randomize your fields. You can go to cloner, make your cloners a little bigger to better see the objects. Okay. So field, linear, sorry, you can change your grids. Or something happened here. Going to the cloner and color. Yeah, I think everything is correct. The multi-shader, yeah. You can make it up. We have 3 layers are active, linear, plane effector, linear, the parameter, yeah, everything is correct. And here you can change your linear, or you can simply assign a random effector to your multi-shader. It's showing the different PSD layer in your as you can see, the first part, it's randomize the position. But in the color mode, I want to go to field color. And in field color, you have to go to field, make it, for example, another random here. Oh, sorry. I think this is a random, but in a random, you have to select another, for example, random field. And I think this mode, it does not work. Make it another, for example, box. Make it bigger. Now here you can randomize your shader. So from green to the red to the another layer in Photoshop, as you can see. So this is a multi-shader. You can assign any layer. We need a bigger cloner. Just in this lesson, I want to show you how to assign PSD Photoshop file to your MoGraph multi-shader and playing with the colors, playing with the different texture in your scene. Use a random and effector in the cloner.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.